Put like 6 squirts.
Oh, jeez.
Is that how you do this?
I mean, I guess, you know, more can't hurt.
Guys, you got to trust me. You want to wait around to the end on this video to see what's going to happen next. You won't suspect this. Hey guys, Random Glass of Detail here. Hey, today we're going to film what to do and what not to do while buffing a car. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll catch up with you here a little bit later. Out.
Yeah, so normally we'd go through and we'd clean out the surface and then we'd clay it and we'd alcohol it. We already did that. This is already prepped and ready to go. So right after you get done alcoholing, it's good to cut. So we're gonna start cutting right now. So you're gonna spread the compound just like this, kind of massage it in there, and then you're gonna go full throttle and just work it in. Just wipe this off, see how we did.
You know, everybody always says when you're detailing, hey, you missed a spot. Don't say that, guys, it's annoying.
Yeah,
it actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, as you can see, like, you can do an easy comparison here because you can see the difference is a lot lighter where we didn't cut and this is darker, but you can literally see all these hairlines right here and how we got, I'd say, like, already just 90% of them out, if not more. But it's an easy comparison to see.
Hey, nice work, man. I don't care what they write about you. Hey guys, if you haven't gotten one already, this is a Harbor Freight air compressor. It is actually the quietest compressor I've ever seen. No, we are not sponsored.
So after every pass you do, you're gonna get some gunk in your pad, so it's good to blow the pad out, just so that you can get a clean cut every single time. So after every time I use it, you guys are gonna see me clean this out. But basically from here on out, we're just gonna get this buffs, and I'm not gonna waste your time with that, so we're gonna speed it up for you guys.
Mr. Spot.
Okay.
Not bad for, you know, quick job there. Hey man, I want to try it. Should I try it? There. Let me see if I can remember what you taught me. Okay, so you take this, right? Put like 6 squirts.
Oh, jeez.
Is that how you do this?
I mean, I guess, you know, more can't hurt.
What do you think?
You probably moved a bit too fast. You probably didn't really get much out there.
Oh, that's horse crap. Hey, we are trained professionals. Don't try this at home. Dude, that was so much more fun. You should try this.
Dude, no, that doesn't work. You got to massage in the polish.
Yeah, but that's not as fun. Like, I'm talking about let's have a good time.
I only care about results. It's not about having fun.
Dude, you gotta try this.
All right.
Let's see. Remember, 6 squirts?
Yeah, like this, right?
Yeah, that's way funner.
Like that?
Yeah. I told you, it's way more fun.
Okay, that's pretty fun, man. That's good.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Ian gave you the correct information. He's a lot smarter than I am, but we just want to show you a little bit of what we do.
All right, this is looking pretty good. So I'm gonna head to the other side and see what we've got going on over there.